One of the other areas that we do a fair amount of work in is in the restaurant space, particularly ones that have a lot of glass. In the case of Basta Pasta, they have this really beautiful open dining area. As the sun sets in the afternoon, it gets incredibly bright in there. And so they didn't want to give that like confined feel that you would have if you had blinds covering the glass. They called us and assessed what the options were. We came up with a nice neutral film that cuts about half of the glare coming through the glass, about half of the heat, but still lets that natural light in. I think a lot of people, when they're researching solutions to solve heat gain or glare, I need to put blinds on my window, I need to put blinds on my window. Sometimes people just don't even realize that window film is a viable option. And in this case, we have a very nice Llumar 20% film. One of the things that was important to the owners of Basta Pasta is that they were not disrupted. We can't mess up our lunch rush, we can't mess with dinner. So we really architected a plan to make sure we came in early and done by about 11:30 in the morning to make sure that we were not impacting business. I actually am really grateful that we've been able to do the work for them because I love their food, and now I get to go and see our handiwork as well and know that we've been able to impact a small business, and it feels good.